basically going to swap one NSA for another. So this is the existing configuration. This is a running system. Here's the I/O device. This is the currently connected NSA. So now I'm going to plug in a new NSA by just plugging the network cable into it off of the PoE switch that's on the system, and you'll see it pop in down in here in a lower box. It takes about 10 seconds or so.
The only thing I just want to do is go over
Here it is. So this is the new one. So at this point, I would note the device ID here of the existing and the device ID of the new one. So you highlight the old one, click the plus, unassign hardware, apply, and then you'll see it jump down to the bottom with so now you have both the old and the new here. But this remains. This is the programming. It's part of. This is the NSA programming. It stays on the system. You can see it's the configuration is what their term for it. It's called NSA1. So now find your new NSA, which you noted by the device ID. In this case, it's this one. Click the plus here. Add selected I/O device. And now you can either choose a new configuration, which you don't. You want to choose the existing one, NSA01, proceed, and then you'll see it jump up here. So now this device ID is here, it's configuring it, and then it'll power it on, and this will turn green once it has. So there you go. So now you have the new NSA on the system with the same programming and configuration that you had before. All you have to do is swap out the cables from the old one to the new one, and install it in the cart, and you're done.